I'm here in Malanje province, mainly in Kalandula. This is where the waterfalls is mainly at the bottom. We're going to be there in a few minutes. What is happening right now is to show you exactly how it is, the beauty of this country. So, welcome to Malanje and welcome to Kalandula.
Você estuda inglês?
Okay, here we go. Straight to the falls. We're going to the falls right now, and we're going to be all the way down. So, yep. Let's have a look. Let's have a look how it is right there in Kalandula waterfalls. That's the beauty of Malanje. This is a province. You've got the most. I won't say the most. You've got one of the beauty touristic area. Coming to Luanda, coming to Angola, straight here to Malanje, and you're going to see it, my friends.
Shoot me now.
Here I am doing it.
We're leading down to the falls so that we can see the water falling down. It's gonna take us about 10 minutes to go down, and then we will see how beautiful that is.
How often do you come here?
This is my third time to come, but I've never been down, and this is gonna be my first time to go down, and I want to see how beautiful that is. And this is the you know this stuff here? This is the cassava leaves.
Okay.
And the roots down, it's where you get the cassava, and they make cassava powder and make that fungi that we just had a couple of minutes ago.
If you don't know, that's who it is, and this is the man telling you all the story about it.
This thing takes about 2 years to grow.
2 years
So
to
the
grow.
the farmer puts it down, and then she comes to clean up the grass and stuff like this every time
All right.
he can, and he needs to wait 2 years for that root to grow bigger,
Okay.
you know, so that it can be put in the water and pound it to become the powder.
You know
So it's a whole lot of process.
you know how many of those root comes? Those how to call it, manioc.
Mandioca, I think one tree is 2 to 3 roots or 4, and then the more it stays on the ground, the bigger it grows, you know.
Oh, I see.
So they need to stay at least 2 years or 2 years and a half, so that they can pick it up the roots bigger, and then it can produce that food. And that food is very popular here in this part of the country. 99% of the people eat the food from that root.
We're about to go all the way down. That's the place where, things happening. That's where you find the falls. As you can hear, that's the sound of the water.
You want to be able to come along?
Yeah, I'm coming. So, all right, I will do it. I'll be. So I have to be careful because it's kind of. If you don't know where the coffee come from, this is a coffee tree. This is where the coffee come from. If you don't know, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's here, coffee tree. It's hot here. We just came all the way down. I've got a Louis there right there behind. It's kind of tired because we had so much to walk all the way from up down.
Yeah, that's too much.
And
walk,
then that was
all the food is
now we are
gone,
almost there. I will show you exactly how it is. I just show you a glimpse of it. We are almost there. So let's go and see how it is. He is tired. He is completely tired. He's exhausted. So yeah, let's